All right, this is Adam with a simple and fast review of the COOFANDY brand Hawaiian shirt, bowling shirt. It is going to be a black and white version. It comes in multiple colors. We'll get into that in a moment. Let me get it opened up and let's try it on. All right, so I just want to show you, once you even get this thing out of the bag, it actually, this particular product came in a shrink wrap pack. So again, just what that's going to mean is you're definitely going to need to do some washing and maybe some ironing, depending on how you like to wear these. So let me get this out of the shrink wrap. All right, so couple things I want to point out real quick. First and foremost, it is a size large. Hopefully you can see that. I am 170 pounds. I'm 6'1", so I buy my clothing according to that. So make sure your fit is appropriate. So a couple things I want to point out. First, it's an open collar, so there's no top collar here. So it's meant to be open. Also want to point out the buttons here are white. And just you can see the fabric. Again, this is meant to be like a Hawaiian style bowling shirt. The back is all one color, so be aware of that. On the front, there is no pocket. There's these sleeves, it's short sleeve, so just showing you how the fabric is sewn there. And again, just going to zoom in here a little bit just so you can see what the fabric itself looks like. So you can get a good feel. So it's a little bit softer than your typical regular shirt. So I'm looking forward to trying this on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get it cleaned up and try it on for you. Now, please note all the wrinkles. So if you need, again, to get it ironed or whatever, do what you must. I'm kind of a non-iron style guy. I prefer a kind of wrinkly look, if you will. So act accordingly based on that. All right, so this thing is basically everything I want it to be as far as a bowling / Hawaiian shirt. If anything, it's a little bit long, so just be aware of that. Act accordingly. Again, I got the large here. I'm 6'1". So my belly button is right about here, right at this button. My waist is a little bit underneath that, or right above that last button. So just an idea of where it fits. Again, the all black back, my waist is right about here. So that'll give you a good feel. Sleeves length, again, up to you. I'm 6'1". So how you want to order based on that is completely up to you. As far as flexible, it tight, like any shirt, gets a little bit tight when you kind of stretch out. So if you're a bulky, muscular dude, which I'm not necessarily, you may need a bigger size, based on everything. But other than that, I mean, this thing's perfect. So looking forward to wearing this out there. Hope this review helps, and thanks for watching.